ya semuanya ketemunya dia semuanya. Kali ini kita akan mendengarkan paparan yang akan disampaikan oleh Mas Gregorio di Perkasa, Mas ya.
Oh benar sih. Benar.
Tepat, Perkasa. Tentang nanti intinya Mas Gregorio rencananya mau membuat software seperti itu. Ini orang programmer katanya. Tentang efisiensi ya. Tahu efisiensi? Tahu? Sudah tahu semua ya. Oke, itu ini seperti itu. Nah, dia algoritma dan Hukman gitu ya. Hukman itu nama siapa? Ini pakainya dia, ini sudah tahu. Jadi kita Mas Gregorio ceritakan kita ya. Oke, itu seperti saya. Silakan Mas Gregorio untuk dimulai.
Thank you, Mr. Guru.
Oke, silakan.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Gregorius Dwi Perkasa. Before, I would say thanks to my supervisor, Mr. Nugroho, and Mrs. Norma Amartya, and to the audience who can hear my seminar proposal about comparative analysis of image data compression using Huffman and LZW algorithm. Background. Today, the use of digital data is increasing. One of digital data that is often used in the image that is one of multimedia data. The image data is often used sometimes to capture a particular moment, start from daily activity until special day moment like a wedding, graduation, or other activity. Besides being used to capture a moment, the image data is also used in many fields such as communication, military, radar, teleconferencing, and medical. In medical, as ronsen, CT scan, and other. This increasing in digital data as image capable of delivering visual information unlike text data. In digital data, communication such as digital image engineering can slow down the process of data transfer due to spend a less bandwidth. Similarly, in terms of storage, the more data it will require greater storage too. But of the problem, so we can solve with compression technique. Problem formulation. I make two problem formulation in this test. First, how is process of encoding and decoding are applied to Huffman and LZW algorithm. Second, which algorithm is better between Huffman and Level Z, where seen from the result of the compression ratio and speed in performance of compression and decompression. Problem limitation. In this analysis, I make a first problem limitation. First, fail to be compressed in is image data. Second, image fail to be used in this test is only extension portable network graphic (PNG), tag image format (TIF), Windows bitmap (BLE), and joint programming expert group (GPG). Its format bank tests are classified by size. I make the file into three sizes. First, 40 megabyte size. Second, more than 70 megabyte. And third, more than 100 megabyte. And every size classified will reclassified into two of color, red blue and grayscale. Method used only lossless compression, and the last compression used is Huffman algorithm and LZW algorithm only. Purpose: knowing the performance of the working of Huffman and LZW compression in digital image. Knowing the result of the compression between both Huffman and LZW, seen from the result of the compression ratio and speed in performing the compression and the compression of an file type study. Benefit: being able to choose the type of data compression that has the greatest compression ratio, so it can save on data storage, save in both cold storage and conventional storage, and save bandwidth and time for transmitting. Research method. First, I start with study literature. Then the set of algorithm, max scenario, simulating of compression and decompression, and the last I analysis from there. Data. Data is a collection of number and characters that have a meaning. Data can be processed to produce the information. In the computer, there is a kind of multimedia data. Multimedia data is data in the computer that grouped into 5 is data numerical, data text, data audio, data video, and data image. Data image is the image data like photo, graphic, table, or order. For example of image data for extension are GIF, JPEG, PNG, and TIFF. Basic concept compression. The compression is process of encoding information using information bearing bits or other units lower than representation of the data that is not encoded with a practical encoding system. The goal of data compression is to represent a digital data with the least bit but still retain the minimum requirement to receive the original data. Data compression method. Method of data compression can be grouped in two major groups, namely lossless method and lossy method. Lossless method. Lossless compression is a class of data from the data compression algorithm that all the original data can be reconstructed from the data compression. Lossless compression of data are used in various applications such as ZIP and GZIP format. Lossy method. Lossy compression is a method of compression and decompression the data. The data output might differ from the original data, but close enough difference. Huffman algorithm. Huffman compression algorithm, called the Huffman encoding algorithm, is used to compress files. This compression technique uses a small code in the code that is often used and another code to a character when is rarely full use. Level Z-Wells or LZW algorithm. LZW algorithm is a lossless compression algorithm designed for rapid compression but usually not optimal because only a limited analysis on the data. The compression algorithm using a dictionary where fragment of text is replaced with an index derived from a dictionary. This is my goal. My goal will calculate between Huffman algorithm and LZW algorithm. I will make conclusion between both algorithms. Where is the best for ratio compression or speed for compression and decompression? Thank you. Any question, please?
Oke, terima kasih.